Good evening, Northeast 8 Nagamis News viewers kan ajilaga main headlines. NPP pra repoll demand opor ECI ke jawab dibole 48 hours notice dishi. Principal District and Sessions Judge Special Judge Mokokchong pra Manu Ekjun ke 30 years nimite rigorous imprisonment dishi. Kuki NP Manipur pra Hill Districts or Foothills area tepra Central Forces ke State Forces logote replace kurble plan kurikina jai thakato strongly against Krishi. US or Iran naga negotiating teams Arabi to hafta Pakistan te talks nimite wapas jabole pare koikna aji sources pra junaishi. National People's Party NPP pra April 9 tarik din by election lote serious irregularities thaka or voters kunba keto vote kurble nadia alleged kurikna Election Commission of India ECIK 28 Koridang Assembly Constituency under Duita polling stations Alichen polling station 2 or 40 repoll kurble urge kurshi. Chief Election Commissioner ke Arabi ekbar yad dilaikina NPP National Secretary Saidul Khan pra takan documentary or video evidence dikina complain kurikina ityatak iku jawab napa opor concern janarishi. Party pra voter turnout ekdam komti thaka to junaishi ki kote 745 manute pra khali 114 June polling station 2 te thakishe aru polling 40 641 te pra khali 147 voters thakishe. Party pra ito to ekdam normal nohoy koishe juntu to normal statistics pra justify kurble diktar ase koikna junadishi. NPP allege koishe ki polling time din laga majute Aadhaar voter ID verification nimite rokhai dikna ECI observer or district administration pra interfere kurishi koishe aru IRB personal thaka pra voters nimite environment to bhoy khanishna bonai rishi koikna state kurishi. Takhan bi claim kurishi ki polling laga time to extend bi kuri diana koishe Constitution laga Article 324 a representation of the People Act 1951 laga sections 58 or 58A side kurikina party junaishi ki judi voting time ko galti hoishi koile ECI logote repoll lobole order dibo nimite power ase koikina junadishi takhan pray to duita stations se joldi repoll lobole Central Armed Police Forces deploy kurble or observer district administration or IRB personnel ke ki kurishe to opor investigate kurble or records kanso bhal pra rakhibole demand kurishe NPP warn kurishe ki judi 48 hours bitor action noloy dile takan courte jabo koikina junaishi ki enika ekdam komti manu ahato allegedly interfere kura nimite ase aru itu pra manu khan naga ichha represent nakore koikina junadishi. Principal District and Sessions Judge Special Judge Pokso Mokokchung pra Ram Palat Gupta ke 30 years nimite rigorous imprisonment dishi Judgment ordered Judge Victor Semapra Ram Palat ke Section 304 Part 2 IPC Section 75 of the Juvenile Justice Act or POCSO Act aggravated penetrative sexual assault laga Section 6 under take guilty paishi. Court pra take 5,000 fine logote 30 sal nimite jail imprisonment dishe. Case ito February 16 tarik sal 2022 te Long Nak Busti under Mokokchung district te incident hwalaga connection te ase accused allegedly talaga maki ke julai she juntute maki do muri jeshe aru to pichte tai nijor laga minor chukri ke sexually assault kurishi case to OCWPS Achila pra investigate kurishi kote state ke special public prosecutor assistant public prosecutor M Temjen Wati Imsong or B Langshen pra represent kurishi. Kuki NP Manipur KIM Praji Manipur Government pra Hill Districts or Foothill areas te pra Central Forces ke State Forces logote replace Budli kurble plan kurikna jai thaka to strongly against kurikna warn kurishi ki Kuki community khan move itu pura puri reject kuribo koikna junadishi. Statement te group junaishi ki State Home Minister pra idea itu junai dia to Kuki manu thaka jagate government naga control bishi ola kurikina baharte sob normal hwanishna dekhabole karni ase koishe takan allege koishe ki move itu pra region te tension bia ola hubo koikna warn koishe ki itya thaka security arrangement budli kura pra jhamala to aru ekdam bishi hoi jabo koikna junadishi. Organization Junashiki Manukhan aro to state government e bisas na kore aro warn korishiki judi Central Forces khan ke state forces logote budli kori dile to prakuki Manukhan naga safety to risk te hubo koikna junadishi. Kuki NP Junashiki Central Forces to neutral, stable aro jamala time protection de koishe takhan pro authorities ke peace nimite itia security forces kinika ase এনেকাহি ৰাখিকিনা যাবলে urge কৰিছে আৰু জনাইছে কি ground reality কিনেকা আছে ইটো না চাইকিনা decisions যোনটো প্ৰাকুকি areas affect হ'ব ইটো খানটো নালবলে জনাইছে International news se war to rukhabole US और Iran laga negotiating teams arbe ekbar itu hafta Islamabad Pakistan te talks nimite wapas jabole pare koikina aji pasta sources prajnashi Sources ekjon kun talks se ase tai prajnashi ki date to finalize kora nai hoile bi duita side sob se joldi hoile to hafta aru lock korble pare koishe senior Iranian source hisab te to April 17 tarik pra 19 majote dates rakhikina ase koikina junadishe duita sides ke bi talks to aru shuru koribo nimite proposals dikina ase koishe Pakistani officials junaishi ki takhan duita countries logote contact ase aru to hafta second round talks to lubole chances ase koikina junarishi Iran fale prato itiatak reportedly positive jawab dikhaikina jai se koishe Pakistan Foreign Ministry Military Prime Minister Office or White House prato talks resume korble opor itiatak comment kranai Nagaland Tribes Council NTC pra Chief Minister Keman Deri pra pending thaka Nagaland Foothills Rasta project laga kam to জলদি করবলে urge কৰিকিনা ৰাস্তা connectivity committee থাকা pra public khan duk pai থাকা to junadishi representation to NTC President C Pankatang Lothar General Secretary C Anand Walling junashi ki Nagaland bishiola rasta laga transport hi cholani mite manukhan travel medical needs aru saman transport koribo nimite bishiola Assam te prahi kore koishe juntu nimite saman naga dam bishi time deri hua rukhai kina fine loa nohile jobardasti puisa mangi dia nishna alleged harassment face kure koikina junadishi council junashi ki enika dusra state depend kura pra mental physical aru puisa fale dictar hoi koishe kote naga manukun ba to Assam jail te murishe nohile legally dictar face kure se koikina junadishi takhan bi junashi ki naga political issues or border te jamala thaka pra Mokokchung Mon Longland, Newland, Dimapur और Vokha national districts te problem olai se koishe NTC pra project to political nahole puisa laga interest na thakikina project to joldi khatam korble junadikina junashi ki commission to nakati bule lage koikina state krishi takhan bi ao baptist arogo mungdang logote pra financial contribution to junadikina public support nimite urge krishi to Nagaland public laga rasta project ase koikina state krishi